Hey guys, today we are next to Golf Mark 7 and this rear door needs calibration. There's a basic settings missing because I have all the electronics that are inside and this door disconnected because I was fitting this ambient illumination over here and I had to disconnect some things. So without the basic settings you can operate the window, but the single press to open and single pull to close will not work. Also the comfort closing and comfort opening, which is press and hold on the remote to operate the window, will not work for this door. Okay, so the procedure is very simple. It's the same for all cars, not only Volkswagen Golf, not only Volkswagens, not only Audi, Seat and Skoda, but basically all the cars are using the same procedure, which goes like this. Open the window all the way. Now try to open it a little bit more and there will be a click inside. Okay, now go all the way up. And again, when it's up, try to close it a little bit more and there will be a click inside the door. And this should be it. So let's check. It's working. And it's working. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, giving thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.